Let's begin RTI packet number 6. Packet number 6 is going to be due on Tuesday, February 10th, and you'll have a quiz on Wednesday, February 11th. I know we're not giving you as much time for this one, but this stuff is very simple with adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing decimals. So the video should be fairly short, and you should know how to do most of this. It's just a refresher. So we'll start with skill 11, adding decimals. In order to add decimals, you first line up the decimal points, then add just like you would with whole numbers. So let's just go down to the bottom and look at number 1. You're going to see decimals a lot with money, so if you do, you can leave your dollar sign. If there is no dollar sign, you don't need to keep it. So 2706 plus 706. So we're just going to add. $34.12. Here, if you need to, you can put a 0 here as a placeholder. And your decimal point stays right where it is in the problem. So if your decimal point is here, it stays here. So number 3, you can put a 0 as a placeholder. $77.11. Again, here you can use zeros for placeholders. $64 and 519 hundredths, if you read it correctly. Here it would be 77. This is 519 thousandths. Sorry, 77 11 hundredths, 1 and 114 thousandths. Just because we have a dollar sign here, we would just read this $34.12 because of the dollar sign. So let's go ahead and turn to page 22, and I'll give you some problems to complete for homework. I want you to complete problem 13, 16, 17, 19, 20, 22, so 13, 16, 17, 19, 20, and 22. And then I want you to go ahead and complete 23, 25, and 27 because you'll have to actually set those up vertically like these up here and make sure that you keep your decimal points lined up. And then I want you to do 29 and 30, which should be fairly simple problems for you. Once you're finished, you can move on to skill number 12.